Hi, my name is Matt Lewis and I'm a personal trainer at the LifeFit Center on Riverside Drive. The following video is the first in a series called The Rebuilder. The focus of the 30-minute workout videos is to provide you with a safe and progressive approach to restarting or rebuilding your workout routine. The Rebuilder exercises are meant to be a starting platform, but please make sure you've consulted your healthcare professional before starting any new program. I also teach this program at the LifeFit Center at noon on Tuesdays and Thursdays. You can drop by or contact me at mlewis@racenter.com. Personal training can also be another option. We hope to see you here. Have a good day.
Keep shoulders pulled down. Raise arms in a Y. Raise arms in a T. Raise arms in a W for 10 reps each. Keep elbows to side body. Keep arms in 90-degree position. Rotate hands outward. Hinge at hips and lift glutes slightly. Maintain a straight spine. Tuck chin and lift chest. Pull and contract shoulder blades. Lower fully. Use thigh in front for support. Lean forward slightly. Pull and contract. Lower fully down. Hinge at hips. Avoid moving the spine. Keep a barrel shape with arms. Raise and squeeze shoulder blades back. Lower slowly in barrel form. Keep glutes engaged, tailbone tuck. Engage underneath armpits, lats. Raise dumbbells to shoulder height. Lower back down. Tailbone tuck. Arms fully elongated. Raising shoulders up and back down. Avoid rolling shoulders back.